All right, it is 10:49, and we just got here at Hideaway Beach, and looks like they oversold this place again, because you find very little opportunities to sit. Very little opportunities to sit in the shade. Barb, I found a couple of shady spots right here. All right, so we found at least some shady spot, but it is very crowded. Very, very crowded. Not even 11 o'clock. Excuse me? Okay, so there is the lagoon. People are in there, and it is really crowded. There are places to sit, but not many, and especially not too many in the shade. And it looks like the tide is almost high. Some hammocks. So we'll check in from the swim bar and go see our friend Jonathan. All right, so just to give you an idea, it's not 11 o'clock yet. The DJ has not started at the beach pool yet. They got recorded music. It's background music at this point. But just to give you an idea, it's not too loud. So some reports have said they have turned down the volume. But we're gonna go to see Jonathan at the swim up bar and see how he's doing and catch the live action when they do start. But it's 7 minutes till 11, and as you can see right now, it's really crowded.
It's worse than last time.
Worse than last time. Yeah, we also got here a little earlier, but still, it's more crowded.
Yeah, ruins it. Too many people.
Too many people.
Not like the Sweet Lounge.
Not like the Sweets Lounge. Okay, so an update. Hideaway Beach Club. It's 5 till 11. The food Hideaway Hut is open. It's the only snack bar, general snack bar. You have a lot of people in line. You do have the Slice of Paradise on the other side of the beach bar. So one of the drawbacks is they are separated. Maybe good, I don't know. But if you want pizza and chicken, you have to go 2 separate places. And it sounds like it's still recorded music. So you can hear, it's not loud. It's background music. So we're gonna go to the beach pool area, see Jonathan at the swim up bar, and check out the action. All right, so we are here. It looks like the DJ is live. And it sounds like they have turned down the volume, at least for now. They might turn it up later. And here's the general. If you want these kind of seats, you got to get here early. They do have the in-water loungers here. They got the in-water beach beds on the other side here, but those are first come, first serve. So the DJ is playing, and it seems like they've turned it down. So let's go see if Jonathan is here. All right, so another little walk around here, show you the in-water beach beds. These are all first come, first serve. There's 7 of them. It's a beautiful day. it's not heated right now, but it probably doesn't need to be heated. Otherwise, it'd be too hot. There is a shady place to hang out in the water. There are a couple of in-water lounges over there. And you can access this swim-up bar, heated pool via stairs down here. And you can see the infinity pool. Largest heated pool in the Caribbean. So that's your vibes here at Hideaway Beach Club. It is crowded today though. We got Allure of the Seas and Adventure of the Seas here